Hello, Grandma. How are you this morning?
I'm fine, my boy.
Your finch escaped?
No, I opened the cage. Why?
Love isn't keeping something trapped.
Look out the window, dear. See how happily the birds fly and sing.
Wow, they are beautiful.
Look at them, sweetie. The finches and sparrows are having a grand old time this morning.
And so the princess opened the cage. She knew that true love meant giving the little bird its freedom.
Wow.
Thank you for watching Wisdom Tales of Ripples. See you soon. Until we meet again, like, share, and subscribe. Adios, amigos!